Why you need to have a YouTube channel for yourself as an artist? So first of all, you need to understand that as an artist, you need to have different source of income. You don't have to rely on only commission works or relying on people buying your artwork before you can survive. Okay. So as an artist, you need to have different source of income. And YouTube channel is also another way of creating income for yourself. Okay. So for instance, me as an artist, I have a YouTube channel and I also create commission. I also sell my artworks. I have different source of income for myself. So the day I don't get commission works from anybody, I don't sell my artwork, YouTube is still going to pay me monthly. Do you understand? So YouTube channel is just like setting a passive income for yourself. Do you understand? Being an artist is not easy. Sometimes our work you need to be there for a while before commission come, especially if you're a beginner. So you need to start creating YouTube channel for yourself. You need to create a YouTube channel for yourself. Do you understand? And for you to become successful on YouTube, it doesn't just happen overnight. For you to get monetized and start making money, you need to start now. Do you understand? Now that you are in school, especially most people are in school, studying. This is the time that you need to create a YouTube channel. Okay, you need to create a YouTube channel and make your friends around you subscribe to you. One of the mistakes I made back in school that uh is still haunting me is not creating YouTube channel. Okay, so as an artist, as a beginner, that you are in school, you are studying in school, you're on campus, um it's your advantage to create a YouTube channel for yourself and let your friends around you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Do you understand? So by the time you complete school or by the time you start doing things on your own, you can start making money, generating passive income for yourself. And YouTube channel is not only about, as an artist, it's not only about creating tutorial. Okay, it's not only about creating tutorial on a platform. You can create a YouTube channel and be posting shorts, small videos, or the video the process of producing your artwork or anything about artwork. For now, you are just growing the platform. So just try as much as possible to be uploading your process procedures. When you are drawing the process, just try to take short videos and just be uploading it on YouTube. It's going to help you a lot. You creating different source of income helps you to focus. Okay, because sometimes buying the materials and then looking at prices of the materials for your artwork, if you don't take care, you might give up. Do you understand? So creating YouTube channel or having a YouTube channel as another source of income for yourself is really going to boost you in the art field. Do you understand? YouTube channel is very profitable. So I would advise you as an artist, as a beginner, you take advantage of that and create a YouTube channel now so that you can also start making something extra for yourself to boost your interest in the art business. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you. Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.